What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all had an awesome weekend. So let's start our week starting with net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. So what do we have here on net gas? So before I start, let me show you what I said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. Here on capital.com, exactly the same. Mark your rejection zones, something like this. And I want to see another push up in this rejection zone with a bearish engulfing pattern. If that happens, we have a sell signal. If broke above, in that case, the price will continue to push up in a trend. Very simple. If you have a rejection here, we have a sell signal with a condition like bearish engulfers or a 382 candle. Nice one. So as you can see, as expected, the price pushed up, formed a double top pattern, and if you look at 1 hour time frame, we already had a double top completion right here with this red engulfing candle, and that was your entry. If you follow me on YouTube, if you are my priority member, or if you are learning my course in MMTA, you know the valid conditions of this type of entry, and price has now pushing lower. So as expected, we had a rejection zone. Price has rejected, and I have sent these zones to the members as well to look for a sell trade here, and price reacted nicely. For now, price is heading towards 50 EMA. We're going to get a possible bounce. As you can see, the price has recently rejected 50 EMA and also the trend line right here. I'm paying attention for another bounce out of, so as you can see, so again, the price is still in an uptrend. This is just a pullback in an uptrend, and we might get another push up from here, and we can either get a push up from 50 EMA again back to the rejection zone which I've mentioned yesterday, or we can get a push up from the trend line below, which is right here. Worth having the trend line on your charts if you want to plot this trend line, something like this. If you want to take a look or screenshot it, please go ahead and take a screenshot of that. So again, I'm expecting another push down from this trend line or from 50 EMA, and next buy trade will be a condition if we have a bullish engulfer here above this trend line, or if we have a next candle as a red candle and then a green candle that closes back above 50 EMA, if we have a valid buy signal, and price will still head higher. Also, if you see the price is moving up in this nice trend right here, all I want to see a good breakout above this previous high. In that case, we'll have a continuation and price will push up towards the next major level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. Keep an eye here. I'm expecting a push down and then a bounce from either 50 EMA or this trend line for your buy condition. Sell trades will be only if we completely broken below this trend line, and I'll look for the retest and keep on taking shots if that happens, if the price broke below this trend line. Exactly the same here on Namex. If you are trading on this platform, all I'm waiting a hit of 50 EMA, then a possible bounce back up. The next buy trade will be if we have a complete break and close above this high, and the zone is right here. In case you missed it, the zone is right to the number in blue. You can plot these zones on the charts. So all I'm expecting, another push down, then a pullback, and then I'll see a next condition. If we have that, or the price break above this high, then I'm going to mark the next zone. I'm going to mention that in my upcoming video. So I'm still expecting a little push down and then a continuation. Here on Awanda, if you're trading on this platform, I'm still expecting a price to head lower, hit this trend line, and then I'll look for another condition. Break below, we're going to take a sell trade with conditions. Break above this high, we're going to look for another buy trade till the price hit the next level of major resistance, which I've mentioned already in my yesterday's video. In case you missed it, it is right here, the number in blue, from where I'll look for another sell trade. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short or long. Next one, we have silver is now pushing lower and broke below the level of major support, which was 22.02, goes up to 22.57. A zone from where, a zone that has now turned a level of resistance. So let's change the color to red right here, and now we can expect a good pullback of few green candles followed by bearish engulfer. Now this can happen below this zone, but I want to see that happen below 50 EMA, which is likely. So once we have a pullback of few green candles followed by bearish engulfing candle, if that happens, we have a sell signal, and we're going to take sell trades using 1 ATR for the initial targets, and then you can manage it. So that is what, so this is an entry for less aggressive trader. For aggressive traders, as always, so from your FIB tool right here till the zone here, and now I'll wait for the 50% retracement. So if the candle retraces back up, hit 50% retracement, that is your sell limit order, and targets will be 1 ATR, and then you can manage it till 1.618 retracement, stop loss above this pattern. So that is an entry for aggressive trader. If we have that, we have a condition from 50% retracement. This is whole zone is my buffer zone. We can get a condition from 25% to 50% retracement. We can also get a bearish engulfer. That is also a very strong signal. If that happens, that is an entry or a condition. If we have a retest of this zone, a dramatic push up, bearish engulfer, that is also one of my good conditions to take my sell trade. So these are the conditions for sell trades only, not looking for buy until we hit the next level of major support, which is right here, 20.00 goes up to 20.62, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trade with conditions like bullish engulfers, double bottom, 382 candles. All these are my buy conditions. So buy only once the price hit the zone below in green. Right here for the gold, we have a take profit hit of 1.618 retracement, a good take profit, a good trade if you are an aggressive trader. The same entry I've just explained in silver, we were waiting for that. Now price is heading towards a level of major support, which is 1793.59. that goes up to 13.95, from where we're going to look for our buy conditions with bullish engulfers, double bottoms, 382 candles, pin bar, whatever you want to call it, all my buy conditions. For now, we can get a possible pullback. If we have a bearish engulfer, I'm going to take another shot till the price hit my zone below in green, from where we're going to enter our buy trade as I've just explained. Last one, we have crude oil. So for crude oil, we have an OPEC meeting here on Wednesday, 11 a.m. We can see some pressure in crude oil, and if you are trading Canadian dollar, you need to take a look at that as well, because it is also a commodity currency, and we can expect some good volatility once that meeting is held. So for now, technically, the price is now pushing lower, heading towards a level of minor support, which is 87.95, goes up to 89.29, a zone that has been sent to my members already. So for now, we can get some pullbacks from here. I'm not expecting a very big bounce from here. I'm expecting some pullbacks and then a continuation towards the downside. We can get a pullback to 50 EMA, and then the price can head lower. So only expecting some bounce looking at this level that has been acted as a good level of support and resistance in the past. That is why I'm paying attention to this level now. Look for the condition like bullish engulfer, something like this, something like this. If we have that, we are good to go long. Actually, this is not a bullish engulfer. Look, a condition something like this. So once we have that, we are good to go long for a little scalp and then a continuation towards the downside. The major zone I'm paying attention for my buy trades will be here, 82.11 goes up to 84.05, from where I'm going to look for a good reversal trades once the price hit the zone. For now, after a little bounce, I'm only going to look for my sell trade with bearish engulfers and keep on taking long once the price break below this zone in yellow. Then we have confirmation that price wants to continue to push lower. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. And if you are getting value out of my videos, do not forget to hit a like button for me, hit a subscribe button. It really helps me in a YouTube algorithm. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.